Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today what you're going to learn is how to debadge a car and then also put the new badges back on, because there is nothing at all chrome about this my Macan. And so I'm going to actually add black lettering back. So I'm going to debadge the Porsche, I'm going to debadge the Macan S, and we're going to place just black Porsche back over the top. That's what you're going to learn today. Let's get to work.
All right, y'all. First things first, we're going to go ahead and get our area clean, so that way the tape that we lay down will stay where it is. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, now that area is clean, let's go ahead and we're gonna mask. Basically, you're gonna make a template of where the letters are, so that way when we put the new letters on, we know exactly where they go. So you just outline each individual letter. All right. Put our bottom piece on, and then basically I'm gonna do the same to the top, and I just leave just a hair underneath each letter, so that when we're cutting the letters off, I don't cut the tape as well. All right, now I'm gonna mark off each letter. There you go. All right, you can see that I have each letter marked off individually. So I put the tape on either side, up and down, so we know exactly where it goes on each letter. So now I'm gonna grab my fishing line, heat up each letter. I'm gonna do one at a time. I'm gonna heat it up, get my fishing line, and basically saw it off. It's not really putting pressure against it, it's just going back and forth, just like you would with wood. So let's go ahead and do that. There's your P. Yours is different. Yours is like a foam style. So I have the letter off. I'm gonna go ahead and heat up the residue still, and then just scrape it off with my finger. Thanks. That's what I was looking for. All right, letter is off, and I scraped up as much residue as I can. Now I'm gonna wipe down the area first, and then I'm gonna spray a little bit more spray on there, and then clay bar the rest off so it's super clean. All right, it is clean, and we can put on our new letter. So let's grab that. I'm just gonna heat the area up before I do as well, make the metal a little hot so it sticks better, and make sure it's not wet or anything still. And that's one letter down. So now we got one down, you know how to do that. I'm gonna do the exact same process for the rest of the letters. So let's do it. Porsche up. All right, next letter. And just to clarify, clay bar is basically just quite literally a piece of clay, and it's used in detailing. It's basically just taking off any contaminants on your paint, and it's obviously very nice for this. There's gonna be a link in the description. And more clay bar. All right, last letter is on. So now all we have to do is peel off the tape, and then I'm gonna get off this bottom Macon S, and we're gonna be all done. So let's go ahead and take off the tape. I just wanna be mindful around the letters, not to, you know, catch an edge and peel one up. Look at that. All the letters are square, as they should be, because we used our template. So let's get this off. Why can't they all come off like that? And I'm just using a plastic razor blade. These will also be linked in the description below to just scrape off all. All right, I just got a little bit of compound polish because we did some pretty hard clay bar in here. I'm just gonna do just with my hand because it's not anything crazy. Rub it around a little bit and then wipe it off. All right, last thing we're gonna do is just wipe off the whole back of the car or wash your car if you know, it's daytime for you, unlike us. And then that's it. Thank you guys for tuning into this week's video. Super simple, and you can see how much better it already looks. So thank you guys for the support, and have a good one.
Guys, thanks so much for tuning in. I did have to say that Tate did a fantastic job here. I asked him several times off camera if he wanted me to jump in and kind of relieve his arms a little bit, because when you're scrubbing those down, it does take quite a bit of work. But he's a great kid, a great son, and just wanted to muscle it out, so he did. But I think it looks fantastic. It's so much better than the chrome that we had before. And if you like today's content, please like and subscribe to the video, and we'll see you on the next one.